In the dynamic landscape of social media, Instagram remains a dominant platform for individuals and businesses alike. However, users sometimes experience a frustrating phenomenon known as a shadow ban. This occurs when your content's visibility is significantly reduced, without any formal notification from Instagram. Essentially, it's like your account is hidden from a large portion of your potential audience. A shadow ban can severely impact your Instagram growth. Your posts may not appear in hashtag searches, hindering the discovery of your content by new followers. Moreover, your posts might not show up on the Explore page, limiting your reach to a wider audience. This reduced visibility directly translates to lower engagement as fewer people see and interact with your posts. While Instagram hasn't officially confirmed the existence of shadow bans, numerous users have reported experiences aligning with its characteristics. While the exact reasons behind shadow bans are not always transparent, several factors are believed to contribute to this issue. These include violating Instagram's community guidelines, using banned or spammy hashtags, and excessive use of automation tools for likes, follows, and comments. Before panicking about a potential shadow ban, it's crucial to determine if your account is genuinely affected. Several methods can help you check for signs of a shadow ban. One simple approach is the unique hashtag test. Create a new post and include a very specific hashtag that you've never used before, then log out of your account or ask someone who doesn't follow you to search for that hashtag. If your post doesn't appear in the search results, it could indicate a shadow ban. Another method involves analyzing your Instagram insights. Look for any sudden and significant drops in your post reach and engagement. A consistent downward trend, especially if you haven't made major changes to your content or strategy, could be a red flag. Additionally, several third-party tools available online specialize in detecting shadow bans. These tools analyze your account's recent activity, hashtag usage, and engagement metrics to provide insights into whether you've been affected. Remember, experiencing lower engagement on a few posts doesn't necessarily mean you've been shadow banned. Instagram's algorithm is complex, and various factors can influence your content's performance. If you suspect you've been shadow banned, don't worry. Several steps can help you recover and regain your visibility on Instagram. The first and most crucial step is to review your content and ensure it aligns with Instagram's community guidelines. Delete any posts that might be flagged as inappropriate, spammy, or offensive. Next, audit your hashtag strategy. Avoid using banned or overly generic hashtags. Research and use a mix of relevant and specific hashtags that are appropriate for your content and target audience. Don't overload your posts with hashtags. Stick to a reasonable number, around 5 to 10, to avoid triggering spam filters. Another crucial step is to stop using any third-party apps or services that automate your Instagram activity, such as auto-liking, following, or commenting. These practices violate Instagram's terms of service and can lead to shadow bans or even account suspension. Finally, consider taking a short break from Instagram for a few days. This allows the algorithm to reset and might help your account regain visibility. Once you resume posting, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that encourages interaction and follows best practices. Preventing future shadow bans is essential for maintaining a healthy and thriving Instagram presence. By following some key best practices, you can minimize the risk of encountering this issue again. First and foremost, stay informed about Instagram's community guidelines. These guidelines outline what is and isn't acceptable on the platform, covering aspects such as content, interactions, and account activity. Focus on building genuine engagement with your audience. Avoid using bots or engaging in spammy tactics to inflate your follower count or engagement metrics. Instead, respond to comments, participate in conversations, and foster a sense of community around your content. When using hashtags, prioritize relevance and specificity. Research hashtags that are commonly used within your niche and align with your content. Avoid using banned hashtags or overly generic ones that are unlikely to attract the right audience. Regularly review your Instagram insights to monitor your account's performance and identify any unusual patterns. This can help you detect potential issues early on and make necessary adjustments to your content or strategy.